Once upon a time, in the peaceful land of Zen, there was a raindrop named Droplet. Now, Droplet was no ordinary raindrop. Unlike the other raindrops that fell from the sky, he possessed a unique awareness and curiosity about the world around him. As Droplet descended from the heavens, he marveled at the beauty of the world below. He saw vibrant flowers dancing in the wind, tall trees swaying gracefully, and animals frolicking in the meadows. But as he neared the ground, he also noticed something peculiar, a small puddle, shimmering in the sunlight. Intrigued by this sight, Droplet decided to deviate from his usual path and gently landed in the puddle. As he merged with the water, Droplet experienced a profound transformation. He felt a sense of unity with the puddle, and for the first time, he realized that he was no longer an individual raindrop, but a part of something greater. Droplet could now see the world from a new perspective. He could feel the warmth of the sun's rays on the water's surface and witness the reflection of the surrounding beauty. The gentle ripples he created with his movements connected him to everything around him, like a ripple in the vast ocean of existence. Days turned into weeks, and Droplet reveled in the joy of being part of the puddle. He met other raindrops who had also chosen to merge with the puddle, and they shared their stories of transformation and unity. Droplet learned that they, too, had once been individual raindrops, but together, they formed a harmonious collective. One day, a gentle breeze blew across the land, whispering tales of distant oceans and boundless skies. It stirred something deep within Droplet, awakening a longing to explore beyond the puddle. With a grateful heart, Droplet bid farewell to his newfound companions and prepared for his next adventure. As Droplet ascended from the puddle, he carried with him the wisdom of unity and the knowledge that individuality can blend harmoniously with the vastness of existence. With every passing cloud, Droplet embraced the interconnectedness of the world, knowing that he was never truly alone. And so, Droplet continued his journey, cascading from the heavens, merging with puddles, and imparting his wisdom to all those he encountered. Through his travels, he became a symbol of unity and reminded others that within each raindrop lies the potential to embrace the vastness of existence.